Hey iPhone users! Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering Siri in iOS 18. Want to unlock the full potential of Siri in iOS 18? Let's dive right in and explore all the amazing features and capabilities that Siri has to offer. First up, activating Siri is a breeze. Whether you're new to iPhones or a seasoned user, getting Siri up and running is super simple. Simply say, "Hey Siri," or press and hold the side button on iPhones without a home button. This quick access ensures Siri is always ready to assist you. For older models, just hold the home button. It's that easy to bring Siri to life, no matter which iPhone model you have. Boom! Siri's at your service, ready to help you with a wide range of tasks and queries. Now, what can you do with Siri? Pretty much everything. From setting reminders to sending texts, Siri is your go-to digital assistant. Ask questions, give commands, or set reminders. Siri can handle it all with ease, making your daily tasks more manageable. Siri's got enhanced features in iOS 18, like better contextual understanding and more natural conversations. This means Siri can understand and respond to your requests more accurately. It's like chatting with a real assistant. The improved natural language processing makes interactions smoother and more intuitive. Need to control your smart home devices? Just ask Siri. From adjusting the thermostat to turning off the lights, Siri can manage your smart home effortlessly. Want to send a text or make a call? Siri's got your back. Just tell Siri who you want to contact, and it will handle the rest. Navigating with Apple Maps has never been easier. Siri can provide turn-by-turn directions, helping you reach your destination without any hassle. Just say where you need to go, and you're on your way. Siri makes sure you stay on the right path, whether you're driving, walking, or using public transport. Customizing Siri is as easy as pie. You can personalize Siri to better suit your preferences and needs. Head over to Settings, then Siri and search. Here, you can access a variety of customization options to tailor Siri's functionality. Here, you can tweak voice feedback and other preferences to make Siri truly yours. Adjust the voice, language, and even the way Siri responds to you. So there you have it. With iOS 18, Siri is more powerful and versatile than ever before, ready to assist you in countless ways. iOS 18 makes Siri more powerful and versatile than ever before. From daily tasks to complex queries, Siri is your reliable assistant. Give these tips a try and make the most out of your digital assistant. Explore all the new features and see how Siri can simplify your life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips.